Hi, welcome back to Staff About Tutorials. Today we're talking about how to share a folder on ClickUp. Maybe you want to provide your team members a direct access to your collection of related tasks or projects. So today I'm going to show you how to share a folder on ClickUp. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open the ClickUp application and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you will be taken to the home page. In this page, tap on this three lines icon at top left corner of the screen. A panel will appear at the left side, and here, tap on Spaces. In this list of spaces, select the one that contains the folder that you want to share. Once you have found the folder, tap on it, then tap on this icon on the right to open the folder. In this page, tap on this three dots icon at top right corner of the screen. After that, a window with various options will appear, and here, since you wanted to share this folder, simply tap on the Share option. A new window will pop up, and here, you can invite people by email, or you can just tap on this Share link, and in this menu, choose where you want to share the link of this folder. You can also just copy the link of this folder by tapping on this Copy URL button, then send it to your team members or collaborators. After that, you now have successfully shared the folder and click up. Remember, you can control the access level and permissions for those who receive the shared link, ensuring your data is secure. There you go. If you wanted to know how to share a folder on ClickUp, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to share a folder on ClickUp, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.